this is the daily weather. I'm walking on snow. Is this illegal? Is God gonna sue me? Oh, I'm sinking. You have to sink before you fall. Anyway, yeah. It's kind of weird how I could just walk on snow. It's kind of breaking the laws of physics. How is this legal? How is this a thing? It's a mystery to never be solved. Well, anyway, I'm really scared and kind of sad because I wanted a snow day and I got whatever the heck this is. So enjoy some snow ASMR. Snow ASMR is finished. And yeah, that's kind of the whole thing. The fact that you can walk on snow is scary. So like yeah, that's it for the video. Bye-bye. You really thought I was gonna end the video, Griffin. Anyway, this is the actual ending. I hope you liked me breaking every single law of physics. And like yeah, this is kind of crazy. So go outside and do this. Come on, go outside right now. Go outside. I'm forcing you. And okie dokie. Bye bye.